The skin on your hands deals with more dirt in one day than the rest of your skin does in a week. So the least you can do is look after it with new Dettol Moisture Hand Wash. It gives you a deep down clean and it's enriched with conditioners to help leave your skin feeling soft. Dettol Moisture Hand Wash for healthy feeling skin.
Now next here on BBC One, it's EastEnders.
Apologies everyone, we seem to be having a few technical difficulties here on BBC One. Before we can go back to normal programming, we need to host an emergency broadcast.
This is an emergency announcement from BBC Wales. We regret to inform you that zombies have breached Severn Beach and have been spotted attacking people in Newport and Cardiff. This now means that every country in the UK has the necrovirus. If you live near Cardiff and Newport, you must evacuate now. There has also been multiple rumours about the royal family and the Prime Minister. There is a rumour that the royal family have been killed by the zombies. This is not true. The royal family have been evacuated to Canada. There is also a rumour that the Prime Minister committed suicide after London got attacked by zombies. Again, this is false. But we do have some true unfortunate facts. Glasgow, Falkirk, Paisley and Clydebank in Scotland have zombies. Belfast in Northern Ireland has had some massive damage done to it. Skyscrapers have caught on fire after bombs were dropped on top of the building to kill the infected. Please stay as far away from Belfast as humanly possible. Hello? Hello, can you hear us? We're currently being hijacked by an unknown person.